In this video, I am going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in Canon PIXMA TS3700 series printer. First step is to switch on the printer. Open the front chamber, so that is here. Here we can put it down. Wait for the ink chamber to move. Now we have to unlock it first, so press this blue lock down and then take the ink cartridges out. Take your new ink cartridge, remove the seal, place black on the black side. So you just have to place it here and then push the lock up. For the color, place it here and then push the lock up. Close this door. Wait on the display panel. So we have successfully replaced the ink cartridges. This way we can replace it. Thanks for watching.